Hi, it's Emily and thank you so much for clicking this video. So for today's video, I'm doing something a little bit different. Not only am I doing a palette bingo for the first time, but I'm also collabing with Anna from Missbennetmakeup. Anna has an Instagram as well as a YouTube page where she creates really beautiful makeup looks that I absolutely love and I really enjoy watching. Not only is she really good at editing, the type of makeup looks that she creates I just feel like are really different than what you see out there. They're really creative, but they're also really like ethereal and balanced, if that makes sense, and I just really love her style. And so I'm really excited to be doing this collab with her today, and I'm going to be linking her video as well as her channel in the description bar down below. So if you guys haven't checked her out before, make sure to go over, subscribe, like her video, and give her all the love and support because she's also just a really sweet person too, and so she just deserves all the love as well. So if you've never heard of a palette bingo, since I wasn't too familiar with it myself and I've actually never done it before, you choose the palette that you want to use and then you choose a random number generator app and put in the max amount of shadows that's in there, and then whatever random number it chooses, you choose that shadow, and then out of the group of shadows that you choose, you have to create a look out of it. So it kind of makes you do like different colors or different color combinations that you wouldn't think of using before. And if you're new here, my name is Emily and I just love all things makeup, beauty, and skincare, and I just love creating new kind of different things and just pushing your comfort zones with makeup and just always creating something new. And so if you guys like videos like that, make sure to subscribe down below if you haven't joined already, and also give this video a big thumbs up. And without further ado, let's jump into it. Okay, so I already did my base, brows, and prime my lids like usual, and I have a random number generator app here, and I put in 18 as the max number since there's 18 shadows in the Blue Blood palette. But since we're doing 5 shadows, I'm just going to shake this 5 times to get a random number, and I'm going to swatch all the colors here on my arm so I can see them all together, and then we'll have to create a look. Okay, so time to shake for the first number. Okay, so it says 10. So let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that's Ice Tray, so that's a really pretty color already. I mean, all these are really pretty colors, but okay. So we have Ice Tray as our first color. Then we have 14. Okay, so 14 is Celebrity Skin down here at the bottom. Okay. I mean, so far that's pretty, like, put a little bit more. So far those are really easy colors to go together. 4. Let's see, we have I'm Cold as number 4 on there. Okay. 15. So 15 is Entitled down here at the bottom of the palette. This is another really pretty color. I love this one. Put that right over the tattoo there. Okay, and then last color is 8. 6, 8. And then 8 is Blue Blood. I'm gonna take some of that. Okay, and there are the 5 colors. So looking at these 5 colors that I got, it's really cool because I honestly wouldn't think about like pairing all these colors together, but I'm really interested in trying to create a look around all of these, and so let's get started. I'm first gonna go clean off my hands real quick though. I'm really excited to see what colors Anna got compared to this, because I wonder if she got like kind of the similar colors or if she got completely different ones, and so I'm really excited to see which ones she got and how her look turned out. So I don't really have a plan for this look, I just kind of want to go with the flow and just kind of feel out the colors as I go, if that makes sense. And so I'm first going to take Celebrity Skin and just start deepening up my crease since that's a really natural color. I'm thinking that I want to create a halo eye with these colors, and so I'm going to be picking up Blue Blood and then putting that on the inner corner and then outer corners of my lid to start creating the halo effect. So I'm then going to take some of I'm Cold and blend out the blue that we just put down as well as a little bit into the crease. Okay, so for the last 2 colors, I was debating which one to put in the center of my lid, but I'm going to go with Ice Tray, and I'm going to put this one all over the center part of my lid to complete the halo eye. So I'm then going to go back in with a little bit of Blue Blood and I'm Cold and just bring back a little bit of those colors that we could have lost in the blending process. Then for the last color, Entitled, I think I'm actually going to try putting it on the inner and outer corner of my bottom lash line and then pop a little bit of Ice Tray right in the middle to try to tie it all together. Then lastly, I'm just going to take a fluffier small brush and pick up a little bit more of Celebrity Skin and then just lightly blend the edges of those colors. So now I'm going to do the rest of my face, and I did already do contour, but for my blush I'm going to be going into the Morphe Cool Pro palette, and I'm going to be picking up a little bit of It Girl and applying that. So to keep with the theme, I'm going to be going into the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Platinum Ice palette and picking up some of Ice Cold and using that as my highlighter. Then I'm going to be going in with mascara, and like usual I'm going to be using the Pixi by Petra Double Brush Mascara. So for my lips, I chose the Bite Beauty Crystal Cream Shimmer Lip Crayon in Rose Glacé because I wanted something really natural but with a little bit of a shimmer or shine. And here is the finished look. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you to Anna for the fun video idea because I think this was a really fun challenge to do. Also, don't forget to head over to Anna's channel. I'll make sure to link her video as well as her channel in the description bar down below. She makes really great videos and beautiful looks that she creates that I love looking at. And she's also just a really sweet human being, and so she really does deserve all the love and support that she can get. So make sure to go over and head to her channel if you haven't checked her out already. Also, if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't joined the family already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.